Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. We've had a lot of snow coming down lately, and this greenhouse has been doing a wonderful job of shedding the snow. I think I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to knock down some of this extra snow. It's continuing to pile up against the sides. That's okay. Oh, it's still shedding. Maybe I don't have to knock it down. I think I'm going to do it anyway because it's fun. So one of the things that's kind of nice about this is all along this edge of the greenhouse, as the snow comes down and it piles up, it's actually going to start providing insulation, additional insulation to the greenhouse. Oh, there's a big crack that just opened up. Oh, you can kind of see it light there. But it's going to keep that greenhouse a little bit warmer, and we won't have to worry as much about the heat. Good news is, guess what? I think we've got the pressure test going on. We do. All right. We've got pressure tests going on. So that means the gas line inside is complete. So we've got this going on. They are testing that. The line, I've been told, may come in next Tuesday. We might have to melt a little bit out of there because the tank's got to go over there and run. But it is coming along. So hopefully, if they get that in next week, by the end of the week, we will be having plants in our new grow house, which is perfect because it'll be nice to have heat in here. Electrical, still waiting on that one. Kind of the same deal on that one. The trench is kind of all frozen up. But let's go take a look inside and see what got done. Oh, yeah. And this is a condensing propane heater. So this one is kind of a fancy heater. It came with our purchase of the greenhouse. It was a part of the package deal, was this nice condensing heater. So it is all plumbed in, and it is good to go. And it's going to be collecting water and dropping it down, and we'll run that out there. But all that gas line is now in, which is awesome. And then here's the other thing. When I come in and I'm like, is the greenhouse shedding the snow? Oh, look. Oh, you can see that big crack right there. That's the daylight coming in. So this greenhouse is doing its job. It's shedding the snow. All of that is where the new snowfall is coming, and it is going down too. So that dark area is all snow. And here, this is what I was talking about. So this is where that snow has piled up against the wall. That's probably a good 3 feet right there on the edge. And that's normal. That's okay. It's okay that it does that. But it is kind of fun to be in here when the snow's shedding off. You can hear that sliding sound. I know a lot of people have really enjoyed that video that I made last week or the week before, whenever the snow came down. I don't know. It's been kind of a blur. But I made that video with the snow sounds, and a lot of people really, really enjoyed that. Made that kind of like an ASMR video. But yeah, it's fun. Oh, here's kind of some cool. Look at this. Look at this. There are layers of snow that have slid off, and you can kind of see those little lines as it goes. The other thing we can do while we're here is we can give it a little bit of a shove. You can get a whole bunch to go down at once. There we go. But it is coming off on its own, which is really good. And it's not bad in here. It's been getting a little bit of solar gain, so that's been good. But anyway, that's the progress. Pretty excited about that. The plants are getting their first pinch. I'll probably shoot another video about that. So if you are raising plants in your high school greenhouse, this is when you should be pinching. So your first pinch should be about now. So we're Valentine's Day. Pinching plants on Valentine's Day is what we should be doing. Some of you may wonder why I'm at school on Valentine's Day. School's over. Why am I still here? Well, I gotta knock some snow off the roof real quick. Just make sure that gets done because we're gonna still have snow tonight. And I don't want to be worrying tonight as the snow continues to fall that there's going to be an issue. I'm not super worried because I know it is shedding on its own, but it's just kind of a little bit of peace of mind. So I think I'll do that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the update. So yes, the furnace has been plumbed. All we need to have is that gas line run through that trench and some electricity, and we will have heat and we will be good to go for the year. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.